So here you can see the DWire auto cutoff switch, which has been installed over here on this very old switch port. And yet, since it's very old and a bit dirty as well. So ideally, this switch is meant for the modular switch ports, but since I didn't had one, so I used the same cutout which was here for the 15 ampere switch. So it was similar to this socket. So let me just remove this from here. And the cutout was very much similar to this anchor one because I had a set of anchor socket and switch. So I removed that switch from here and basically put this in, and then I have taped this with a masking tape. Okay. So this is just a kind of a jugaad to basically use this. And now let me show you this in action. So I am plugging this back. This is my Geyser, which is the Havells magnet rod, and this is rated as at exactly 2000 watt. So once I press this on button, you can see the power blinking and a deep sound. My Geyser is turned on. I don't know if you can hear or not, but the fans on the Geyser is also working. So this was the normal mode. So turn it on or turn it off like this. But now, if let's say I want to run this Geyser for only 10 minutes, then I'll just click on this 10M and it will start. And exactly after 10 minutes, this simply shuts down from here. Okay. And by the way, you are going to get 3 connections with this. So there are 3 wires in this. One will go from this wire. This is my phase wire. Here I have 3 coils. So the phase will go over here. Then the white wire will go to the load, and there will be a neutral one as well, which will go to the neutral wire from this same phase.